Hello, my dear students. Today we will have a practice exercise on the use of prepositions. We are studying prepositions ever since our junior levels. So let us see how much we know about the correct use of preposition. So here is first sentence. He was born blank space riches. वह धनी परिवार में जन्म हुआ. So you guess yourself what preposition should be here. Here we will use in. He was born in riches. So born in is the right preposition here. Born on भी होता है. He was born on 17th July. But when we say he was born in riches, so in is the correct preposition here. Then second preposition, she laughed at me. She laughed at me. वह मेरे ऊपर हंसी. We cannot use she laughed on me. We cannot use she laughed upon me. She laughed at me. Then third preposition, Mother Teresa was well known. Society. Mother Teresa समाज में बहुत अच्छी तरह जानी जाती थी. In society. Then translate this passage. In we cannot use because you have to change the form from one form to another form. Translate this passage. Always the correct word is into. Then next sentence, it is 10 blank space 10. 10 बजने में 10 मिनट कम हैं. इसकी इंग्लिश होगी इट इज 10 to TO2 10 to 10. 10 बजने में 10 मिनट कम हैं. Then sixth, the book is lying rest position में. पुस्तक टेबल पर पड़ी है. Lying, LIE, lie means रहना, किसी जगह पड़े रहना. And this is the present participle. The book is lying, not on, not upon, not above. It is on, because upon is in motion and above is means above position. Then seventh, he hit a nice plan. उसके दिमाग में एक अच्छी युक्ति सूझी. Means from one surface to another surface. The thing has come. So it is upon. Then next, it is to my watch. मेरी घड़ी में 2 बजे हैं. It is to by my watch. मेरी घड़ी में 2 बजे हैं. इसकी इंग्लिश क्या होगी? It is to by my watch. Then the soldiers fought. करेज, सैनिक बहादुरी से लड़े, विद करेज, देन ही डाइड कोलरा, हैजा के कारण वह मरा, के कारण में ऑफ आता है, ही डाइड ऑफ कोलरा। देन 11th, ए बटन ऑफ माई शर्ट हैज कम, मेरे शर्ट का एक बटन टूट चुका है, कम ऑफ, ओ डबल एफ, कम ऑफ। देन लाइट कम्स, ब्लैंक स्पेस द सन, सूर्य से रोशनी आती है, सोर्स, देन फ्रॉम। देन ही अप्लाइड, किसी चीज के लिए अप्लाई करना किसी ऑफिसर के पास, ही अप्लाइड टू द प्रिंसिपल फॉर 2 days लिव। देन द डॉग रेन, किसी के पीछे भागना, रेन आफ्टर, द डॉग रेन आफ्टर द कैट। द ट्रेन इज आफ्टर, बिहाइंड, अगर ट्रेन लेट पहुंचती है तो उसको कहते हैं द ट्रेन इज बिहाइंड टाइम। ट्रेन का लेट पहुंचना, उसका करेक्ट इंग्लिश होगी द ट्रेन इज बिहाइंड टाइम। द नेक्स्ट इज द स्विमर्स हेड वाज, नॉट was, the swimmer's head was the water, not over, above the water. Then he walked, not round, around the garden. So my dear learners, now we will again revise. He was born in riches, वह धनी परिवार में जन्म हुआ। She laughed at me, वह मेरे पर हंसी। Mother Teresa was well known in society. Translate this passage into English. It is 10 to 10, 10 बजने में 10 मिनट कम है। The book is lying on the table. He hit upon a nice plan. It is to buy my watch. Then the soldiers fought with courage. He died of cholera. A button of my shirt has come off. Light comes from the sun. He applied to the principal for 2 days leave. The dog ran after the cat. The train is behind time. The swimmer's head was above the water. He walked around the garden. So these are the 17 uses of important prepositions. I hope you might have learned the correct use of these prepositions. My dear learners, please like, share and subscribe my channel. I will be with you shortly with a new lesson. Thanks.